Welcome to this episode of The Compressor Guru. Welcome, folks. This is kind of a special bonus episode. I had a comment, it might have been an email, I can't actually remember, but I had a contact. Somebody was telling me they're having a hard time keeping their pullers on their flywheels to pull them, and they asked what we used, and I am just putting a couple quick pictures up of the proto puller that I bought probably 30 years ago that works fantastic, but I do not have a model number on it. I cannot make it out from the picture I took of the tag. That all being said, here's some pictures of the puller I use on flywheels. Hope it helps you. There's other ways we pull flywheels depending on just how tight and how big they are. But anyway, thanks for checking this very brief episode out of the Compressor Guru. God bless you. Have a great day.
Thank you for watching this episode of The Compressor Guru. Please hit like and subscribe and use the notify bell so you will know when the next new episode is released from The Compressor Guru. God bless you and have a great day.